Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you 12 different kinds of earrings that you must have in your jewelry box. The earrings that I'm going to talk about in this video are like really festive earrings. They are not for regular use and they are like really statement pieces. Even if you have some of them, you can easily pair them with so many of your festive outfits and you will not have difficulty in figuring out your jewelry, because if you are wearing a statement earring, for example like this one, you do not need to wear anything on the neck. These are sufficient. Maybe you can add on a ring and you will be good to go. So I'm going to talk about different designs, colors and also different types of earrings that you must have. So if you want to know the top 12 earring designs that I consider essentials, then please continue watching. So the first kind of earrings that I want to talk about are classic jhumkas. I have these ones with me. These are not like your typical jhumkas. They are really beautiful with a stone right here and these pastel pink color beads on the bottom. This is how they look. They look so beautiful. And jhumkas suit every face type, so you can definitely go for jhumkas. You can also have the ones which are like dual toned. That means they have both silver and golden metal on them, so you can pair them with just about any outfit. So you must include a pair of jhumkas in your earring collection. Number 2 on my list are studs, like the ones that I'm wearing here. They look so gorgeous. So if you don't like really big earrings, you can go for these statement studs and they will help you glam up any outfit without looking over the top. You can also wear these when you're wearing a really heavy necklace and you want to wear simple earrings. You can also consider these polki studs. They are small and they look absolutely beautiful. So the second type of earrings that you must have are studs. Next on my list are chand balis, like the ones that I'm wearing. These are beautiful Kundan statement earrings and this type is known as chand balis. They look absolutely gorgeous with any outfit. You can glam up like a simple kurta set like the one that I'm wearing with these statement earrings, or you can pair it with a really heavily embroidered sari. And because they are golden with white stones or kundan stones, they will work with everything. I also wanted to show a few different designs like this one. This one is also a chand bali, but it's so beautiful. It's like a little bit different and it looks gorgeous. These are so pretty. Next, you must also have meenakari earrings in your jewelry box, like this one. This one is a little bit of an unusual color with yellow and pink enamel work, and this surprisingly works with a lot of Indian outfits because most of our Indian outfits have some form of pink in them, and it has these beautiful pearls and a little bit of kundan stones on top. So you can have them in different colors to match with your different outfits, like these blue meenakari earrings. These are so gorgeous with blue enamel work and pearl laurels on the bottom. I have paired it with so many of my different outfits and they look absolutely stunning. Next, you must also have earrings with intricate motifs like this one with peacock and lotus motifs. These look so beautiful. It also has these pearl laurels, a little bit of kundan work and gorgeous enamel work or meenakari. It has these different colors going on like pink, green, little bit of orange and also blue. So it will also go with a lot of your different festive outfits. The next pair of earrings that I want to talk about are these. These ones are so unique in design and they have a paisley motif with these small jhumkas. and a maroon stone. Most Indian outfits have a little touch of maroon in them, so this one works with a lot of different outfits. I had got this from Voila, and you can definitely consider having at least one such earring which is traditional yet the design is contemporary, like these paisley earrings. So I've talked about owning a pair of classic jhumkas, and if you are a earring lover, then you can also consider having such statement jhumkas. These are a little more glamorous than your classic simple jhumkas. They have a lot of character to them, and they have all of these different layers going on, and also pink beads at the ends, which adds so much to a simple outfit. These are a gorgeous pair that you can definitely consider having. Next on my list are these Navratna earrings with layered jhumkas. They are so stunning, so statementy, and because it has so many different colored stones, they will also work with a lot of different outfits. I have shared this in a previous video, Indian wear essentials that you must have, something like that. I'll link that video above. You can definitely check them out. And in that video, I have just mentioned two earrings. The one that I'm wearing, this classic pair of Chand Bali with kundan work. This one goes with a lot of different outfits. And these ones, because it has so many different colored stones, it will also work with a lot of your festive wear outfits. So if you just have these two different earrings, then you can survive the festive season with ease. Apart from these, you can also consider owning stud earrings, and you will be completely sorted. Moving on to the next one, you can consider having a ear cuff or something which are not like really simple earrings. It has some kind of an attachment or something extra going on, like these beautiful statement earrings with navy blue and maroon enamel work, kundan stones and pearl laurels. They have this attachment right here that you can clip on to the side of your hair, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So you can definitely invest in some of these statement ear cuffs or earrings with attachments. Next design that I want to share are these Pasa design earrings. This is how it looks. It has a typical shape. This actually looks like a hair accessory called Pasa that brides wear on the side of their head. Since the earrings look like that, they are called Pasa earrings. Have one in a neutral color, like this one has kundan stones with pearls, so that you will be able to pair them with a lot of different outfits. So if you are a earring lover and if you want to have different earrings in different designs, you can definitely consider having a pair of Pasa earrings. The next one that I want to talk about are these hoop earrings. These are like really special hoops with colored stones. They are modern, yet they will work with different Indian outfits because of all of these colored stones that give it like an Indian touch. So if you do not have a lot of Indian functions to attend, or if you don't want to invest in grand pieces like these ones, you can definitely have something like this, and you will be able to wear it with your Indian festive wear as well as your Western wear, and it will not just sit in your cupboard for just one wedding function or one Indian festival that you have to attend. You will be able to get a lot more use out of these ones. Coming to the last pair of earrings that I want to talk about. So I also wanted to include these Gotapatti earrings. These ones I had DIY'd a long time back. You can check out the video, I'll link it above. These are like really special earrings that you can have in your jewelry box, and nowadays a lot of brides have these mehendi functions or haldi functions in which they wear such jewelry. So if you have one of these, then you will be able to attend all of those functions with ease without having to worry about your accessories getting spoiled. And if you buy these, they will cost you a lot more, so it's really easy to DIY these. So if you are a little bit extra like me, and if you like collecting different pieces, then you can definitely have these Gota flower earrings. So these were the different kinds of earrings that I wanted to share in this video. And if I have to sum it up, then you must have a statement earring like a kundan one, and and a pair of Navratna earrings. Along with that, you can also have polki studs, and having different color enameled earrings in a rani pink or a navy blue or maroon and green also helps, because those are the colors that we have in most Indian outfits, and you will be able to pair them with multiple things. So that is it for this video. I hope you're subscribed to my channel, and please do turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'm going to have a lot of these festive videos on my channel throughout this week, so stay tuned for them. You can also check out my previous videos right here. I'm sure you're going to love them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll have my social media details in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.